Hello and welcome to Runman Records Design. Today we show you top 20 dark green kitchen interior design ideas for 2026. Dark green kitchens are popping up everywhere in home design circles. You step into one and it feels like a cozy forest retreat right in your house. Unlike the bright white spaces that ruled a few years back or the cool navy tones from last season, deep greens bring a fresh vibe that's both bold and calming. This color taps into nature calm, easing stress and sparking creativity. Studies from color psychology experts show greens can lower heart rate by up to 20% in home settings. Very ditching stark minimalism for something richer. In this video, you discover 20 standout dark green kitchen interior design ideas, from cabinet tricks to full room makeovers. Let's dive into why this shade rules and how you can make it yours. Mastering the shades of deep forest green. Dark greens aren't all the same. Each shade shifts with light and pairs differently. Pick the right one and your kitchen glows. Choose wrong and it might feel flat. Emerald vs Forest vs Hunter Green. Selecting your perfect tone. Emerald green leans blue, giving a jelly-like sparkle under morning sun. Forest green stays earthy with yellow hints, warm and inviting in soft light. Hunter green adds grey tones, sleek for evening glows, but cooler in bright rooms. These undertones change everything. Blue-based emerald pops in north-facing kitchens with less sun. Yellow forest warms up south windows. Grey hunter suits mixed light, but can dull and dim spots. Test samples smartly. Grab large poster boards. Paint swatches on them and prop them up. Watch how they look from dawn to dusk. That way, no surprises on install day. The impact of finish, matte, satin and high gloss applications. Finish changes how dark green hits the eye. Matte soaks up light, building a soft, plush mood like velvet curtains. It hides fingerprints well, but can shrink small spaces. Satin offers a gentle sheen, easy to clean and lively in daily use. High gloss bounces light around, making walls feel taller and adding glam. Think mirror-like doors that expand the room. Pick based on your kitchen's size. Go matte for cozy nooks, gloss for open plans. In 2026 trends, mixed finishes like matte cabinets, with closed islands. Keep kings fresh without overwhelming. Pairing dark green with complementary cabinet materials. Wood grains, loaf, deep greens. Walnuts, rich browns, deepen the forest feel. White rift sawn oak adds clean lines without clashing. Avoid overly red woods. They fight the cool green base. Non-wood peaks shine too. Fluted panels in matching green create textured waves. Matte lacquer on doors gives a smooth, modern edge that lasts. Mix materials for balance. Try walnut lowers with lacquer uppers. This setup grounds the space and lifts your eyes up. Perfect for everyday flow. Thanks for watching. I hope you find these green kitchen ideas helpful. You've been watching the Design and Decor channel, Runman Records Design